Hey my beautiful people. Alright, so today we are making roasted vegetables and sausage. We're going to start by cutting 3 zucchini into bite-sized pieces and then throwing them into a bowl. This is my number one favorite vegetable dish. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut 1 large red bell pepper into bite-sized pieces and also throw that into the bowl. You can make the pieces as big or as little as you like. Okay, we're going to cut a half an onion into pieces. Followed by broccoli. So you can cut the broccoli into smaller pieces. I decided to just break them apart with my hands. Do whatever you like. Okay, and cut a few pieces of green onion. I know I'm going to get some comments about how I'm cutting, how I'm using this knife. I was fine. I did not cut myself. I was completely okay. Okay, and that is a yam. I'm going to go ahead and cut that into pieces. I'm just showing you how big they need to be, or at least how big I like them to be. This dish is perfect for anyone that does not like vegetables. It is very flavorful. It's really, really good. Okay, and that is parsley. We're going to go ahead and chop that up now, but we're going to save it for later. Okay, so that was a pack of smoked sausage. I went ahead and used 2 packs of the sausage and also cut them into small little pieces, bite-sized pieces. So once you are done cutting everything up, go ahead and line your baking sheet with foil if you want. I like to line mine with foil. Pour all of your veggies in there. And then mix them up. You're going to mix it a couple times so it doesn't have to be fully dispersed the first time you mix it. And that was avocado oil, by the way. Okay, now I'm seasoning that with salt. Adobo seasoning. And this was enough food to feed me, my hubby, and a couple co-workers. That is thyme, ground thyme, pepper, parsley flakes, oregano, go ahead and mix it up. Get those seasonings all over the veggies. Okay, now I'm adding in my sausage. And you can use any meat, by the way. You can use chicken, anything you want. A little bit more oil. And those are sun-dried tomatoes. I went ahead and used 5 of them and chopped them up to little bitty pieces and throw them in the dish. And I just sprinkle them all over. And I'm going to mix it one last time so it's going to get evenly dispersed throughout. Okay, now I am using that chopped parsley. I'm sprinkling half of it over the dish now. And once it's done, you can sprinkle as much as you want, just for presentation purposes. Looks pretty. Okay, one last ingredient, and that is garlic. So I was at the very end of my garlic. As you will be able to see, I show you. So I probably would have used a little bit more garlic. But yeah, feel free to use as much or as little as you like. And that's minced garlic. And mix it one last time before putting it in the oven. Okay, so I'm using heavy duty foil. To cover it. The other foil I used was a foil I got in Japan. It's kind of rinky-dink. Okay, and I preheat my oven to 400 degrees and baked it for 40 minutes. This is the end result. It was delicious. This is the only way I can get my babe to eat his vegetables. I know you ladies can relate. But please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.